Do you want to showcase your theme in style? Team Member plugin makes it super easy. With over 50 layouts like grid, sliders, and tables, you can display your theme anywhere using shortcodes. Customize image, spacing, hover effect, and even add member galleries. It is fully responsive, works on all devices, and comes with drag and drop ordering, filters, and AJAX pagination. In just a few clicks, your theme section looks professional, organized, and stunning. So, would you like to start? Let's get it started. Let's go to the plugins to add a new plugin. In the search key box, type Team Member Showcase. Powered by Radius Theme. Click on Install Now. After completing your installation, click on Activate. And here, this is the appearance of it. Now again, go back to the plugins. Add plugin. Click on Upload plugin. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Now click on Install Now. After that, click on Activate plugin. And here these are the Theme and Theme Pro. Theme Pro is for additional premium features and advanced benefits. Now go to the plugins again, and this is our first step where we will add a department. Provide your department name, for example, app development. Then you can choose your parent department if you want. Then click on Add New Department to save it. Now go to the designation. In the second step, we'll add a new designation for this. Provide the title for it and then save it. Next, go to the Add Team Member, and this is our third step for adding a new team member. For this, provide the title. Then go to the member info to provide it. Write a short bio about your member. Provide the experience, email address, phone number, mobile number, the fax, and the other options as well. These are totally depends on you. If you have, you can provide them or leave them into blank. For example, tagline, qualifications, professional memberships, along with the areas of expertise. Well done! Now it's time to provide the featured image of your team member. Now, save the designation as well as departments. Now click on Publish to save it. And this is how you can add more team members how much you want just by following these steps. Now, go to the shortcode generator to add a post. Here, provide your title for this post, for example, Team Member Showcase. Now, go to the shortcode generator to add a post, and according to it, you will get several layout types along with the layout style. If you want, you can preview each layout type and the layout style one by one. You can preview them below. In this way, you can actually choose any layout type and layout style according to your preference. You have probably noticed how I am selecting the layout types and styles one by one and checking how they look. Whatever looks best can be used. You can also see your team members according to their departments and the designation. You can also add the numbers of your column to display in the desktop tab or the mobile screen. Then set your filter, enable the pagination option, and set the pagination type. Let's preview it below, and here this is the difference. In the next, you can make the limit to display per page. Then select your image style. After that, image size, grid style, and if you want, you can add your short description limit and etc. Here, this is a preview after customization. You can see your team members' name, their email address, location, phone number, and etc. In the next, if you want, you can further change and customize your layout type, style, and the other options. While done, then click on Publish to save it. After that, from here, let's copy this shortcode, and in the next step, we will showcase team members using this shortcode. For this, go to the page to add a new page, and here provide the suitable title like Team Member Showcase. Then click on this plus icon, find shortcode and paste your copied shortcode here. Then click on Publish to save this. Let's view the page, and in the here, it looks like that after our customization. This is called pagination. This is showing here because we have already enabled the pagination option. Let's back to there again. And now go to the filtering. From here, you can select your members to include only. Same for the exclude option. And click on update to save. Now let's go to the page. How does filtering looks after customizing including or exclude option? Here you can see this. Now let's back again there. If you further want, you can choose your department as well as designation for your team member. Next, go to the field selection, and here you will get various field selection options by enabling and disabling to display or hide in the listings. For example, if you disable Hire Me button, Resume button, Read More button, Social Link, and the other options, then when you go to the page and pay close attention, it will become Let's back again there and go to the styling. For this, you can customize the color for your primary, name, padding, and etc. Let's try the primary color first. Select any one from its color picker. Then for the name, and then click on update to save it. Let's go to the page and see the difference here. Next, if you want, you can also customize the designation color, short biography, URL, location, telephone, mobile number, or anything. You can do it according to your preference. And also, if you want, you can change your font size for your team member's name and customize the weight also. Let's save it and see the difference here. This is how you can showcase your team members using Shortcode. Thank you for watching this tutorial.